Hello my friends, welcome to Forex VKS. Today is 5th February 2022. So today is our weekly analysis where we're going to go through the market prediction, forecast for the market from 7 to 11 of February. So before we start, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, let's check out the introduction, a quick disclaimer before we start the show.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, before we start the chart analysis, let's check out the calendar first, see what is going on this week. This week we got a strong recovery from euro and the pound. Where was it? Okay, so we got a confirmation that the official bank rate for pound went up, and we got also a bullish sentiment from this monetary policy from euro. So euro is pound quite strong this week, nearly on Thursday and Friday. And USD, we got unemployment claim Thursday, which is quite okay. Unemployment claim is quite good. Okay, the numbers come out above expectation. And on Friday, we also get this positive number from non-farm employment change. So there is some bullishness in USD. Okay, USD has been weak for the last few days, but there could be a turnaround coming in. Okay, there could be a turnaround coming in, but the data came out from the CAD is not so good. Okay, unemployment rate below expectation on Friday, and employment change also below expectation. Okay, so but unemployment rate for USD is still drop a bit, 4.0, but not as big as expected. Okay, not as bad as expected. So basically this whole week we can see, right, based on the news, there is some strength on the euro and pound, and there is some strength at the end of the week, okay, for USD. Okay, let's check out next week. Okay, Monday we got New Zealand Bank holiday. We got ECB Bank Lagarde speaks. Tuesday we got government all speak New Zealand. Okay, so if you're trading New Zealand dollar, maybe you want to watch out a bit on volatility on Tuesday. So other than that, Wednesday, FOMC, Rainbow Brown. Okay, Thursday maybe we also want to watch out for CAD. Okay, BOC Governor McClellan speaks. Could have some volatility over here. Other than that, okay, CPI numbers. Okay, you have to watch out. Okay, on Thursday, USD CPI numbers. You want to watch out. There will be volatility here. So any big spike or any turnaround could happen during the Thursday. The day before Thursday, during Thursday, or the day after Thursday. Okay, normally any movement, big movement, right, it will happen, it could happen before the news event or after the news event. Okay, so it doesn't always happen during the news event. You have to understand that, right? Because not everybody get this information during this time. Okay, some people might get this information earlier, right? Okay, let's look at the other one. Friday. Okay, Friday we got this central bankers speaking. Government Bailey gonna speak, and also AUD RBA government law gonna speak. So there is some volatility over here. So watch out. Other than that, there's not too much happening. Okay, not too much. Also we got University of Michigan consumer sentiment for US on Friday also, but basically not too much. Okay, not too much going on. Let's look at the chart. Okay, let's look at currency first. Okay, DXY, USD, okay, US dollar DXY had a drop, okay, last week, but it haven't go through the buyer's line first. So technically speaking, the US dollar is slightly still bullish. Okay, so there could be a rebound coming in soon for USD. So USD is slightly still bullish, but I'm not saying that it's very bullish, but it's still slightly bullish. Okay, in my book. First, you see this uptrend, right? This uptrend, okay. This is the uptrend, right? This uptrend is still going well. Let me draw a trend line over here. If I were to draw a trend line over here, right? So technically, right, price is at the trend line. Okay, it haven't broke through the trend line yet. So this is not too bearish yet. There is another trend line here. Okay, if you want to draw a trend line, right? Okay, technically it's not too bearish yet. So this is possible. Okay, possible. The US dollar could reverse. So we just want to put put a bullish sentiment here. Okay, for US dollar, right? We just put a bullish sentiment here. Okay, the buyer's line is here. Okay, so we just want to mark the buyer's line. As long as it stay above this buyer's line, right? 94.6631. Okay, we are still bullish on the USD. Okay, we are still bullish on the USD. Let's look at Euro. Hold on. Okay, let's look at Euro. Euro, our buyer's line is here. 1.14745. So now the price is at the buyer's line, so it haven't go through yet. So technically, right, Euro is still slightly bearish to me. Okay, even though it has rebound, but technically it's still slightly bearish until it can break through 1.14745. Then there could be, if you change the buyers to bullish. Okay, so this one short-term bullish, yes. Okay, we mark there short-term bullish, but now maybe I just put it neutral first. Okay, put it neutral first. It could go either way. We have to wait and see next week. Okay, so same as USD. Technically, it's still bullish. Okay, but we have to put it neutral first. But it's still quite strong. Maybe I take it bullish first. Okay, these three is possible bullish. Okay, these three possible bullish. British pound. Let's look at British pound. Yeah, British pound already broke through the buyer's line. So this technically this is slightly bullish to me. So these few days, right, a lot of currency change their direction. So we have to be aware, right? The USD weaken and Euro strengthening. Strengthen. So there is a lot of pair. There is some direction change. So for this one, British pound, we put it bullish. Okay, we still put it bullish because it has a, it made quite a significant gain over here, and the price. Let me see. Where's the buyer's line? Okay, so the price is slightly above our buyer's line 1.13510. Okay, so this one technically we put it slightly still bullish. Look at Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc is sideways. Okay, sideways. So Swiss franc, I don't have any buyers for it yet. Okay, you can see, right, this is just a sideways. Okay, sideways. Right, so there is no direction here. Japanese yen. This Japanese yen is still quite bearish. Okay, Japanese yen is bearish. So we are tagging this as a bearish. Look at Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar is still quite bearish, even though with a strong oil price, but it's still quite bearish. Looking at this, this one more look like a head and shoulder. Okay, so this one we'll mark it as bearish. Okay, below 0.79160, we take it as bearish. And Australian dollar, okay, still bearish. We got a small pump last week, but it's still bearish. It's still below our buyer's line. Okay, so our buyer's line need to change to here. Okay, for now. 0.72855. Okay, the price is below. We are bearish on this Australian dollar. Okay, Australian dollar, we are bearish here. So this one looks bearish. Let's look at New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar also look bearish. The buyer's line is here. 0.68525. Okay, so this one still look bearish. Okay, so we highlighted a few stronger currency. DXY, okay, could stage a comeback. Euro, okay, Euro still considered a little bearish, but possibly after it breaks through 1.14745, it could turn bullish. This one potential also. This one is slightly bullish. British pound is slightly bullish. Okay, we don't see a very strong currency, a very bullish currency. Most of the strong currency, right, is in the junction, or means it can turn both way. Okay, but still we are considering it slightly bullish. Okay, slightly bullish. Okay, this three currency. US dollar, euro, and a pound. Okay, so let's check out the currency pair. Let's look at the weekly first. We do a top-down analysis. Wow, look at that, big bullish engulfing. Okay, so weekly we are going to a bullish sentiment here. Okay, weekly we are going to bullish because of big bullish engulfing candle, big bullish engulf all this candle. So this is most likely is going up for the next week. Okay, so looking at a weekly bullish engulfing candle, we have to change our strategy for now. Let me see. Let me retag everything, clear up my mind a bit. Okay, this could be a false break. Okay, so looks like this is a this is a channel, right? Okay, so it's running an uptrend channel. This one is a false break. Most likely the price is going back up again. So what we want to trade, okay, so the price is at a buyer's line. Okay, the price is at a buyer's line. So what we want to do now, there is two trading idea here. There's two trading idea here. Okay, as I said, this one is trading ideas, not necessarily it will 100% work out. Some trade work out, some trade doesn't work out. Okay, at least we want to develop a strategy, right? Okay. Okay, if we get a very bearish sign signal over here at 1.14510, there is a possible sell trade. We still possible want to sell it due to this, okay, this area, this resistance area. Okay, this resistance area, we still want to sell this. If the price breaks through, okay, retest 1.14510, rebound, we want to buy. Okay, so this is a 50-50 neutral over here. So we have to look what it developed at 1.4510. Okay, this is a very important area. So let's look at pound USD. Look at the weekly. This one is not so convincing. Okay, this one is basically we are having an inside, something like an inside bar, means still like 50-50. Okay, the bulls and the bears most likely is still quite even. So this one, okay, we put it 50-50 first. So this one also could go either way. So what we want to do now is we want to look at 1.35033. Okay, a rebound we want to buy. Okay, the price break below, retest, rejection, we want to sell. Okay, at 1.3500033. Okay, so this one is we can go either way because it's at our Okay, for pound USD, I put my buyer's line over here. $1.37214. Okay, below this, we are still looking to sell this. No doubt, the pound is quite strong, but against the USD, right, this is still a downtrend to me, right? It's still a downtrend to me. Okay, if you draw a channel, right? Okay, this is still very much on the downtrend channel, right? You draw a channel over here. Let me use the proper tool to draw a channel over here. Right, if we draw a channel, right? So this is still a downtrend channel. So possibly we still want to sell this. Okay, so we still want to sell this. So there's a possible sell opportunity over here. Okay, over here 1.36140. Or if the price goes higher, there's a possible sell opportunity here 1.37214. Okay, so we're still looking to sell this. Okay, this setup, this pound USD. USD JPY, let's take a quick look at the weekly. We got a pin bar over here, inside pin bar. Okay, so slightly bullish. Okay, so we are slightly bullish on this one. Okay, so the sentiment is still bullish. Okay, we got a bullish engulfing here. Okay, last week we got bullish engulfing, but it's not very easy to trade. The price is moving into a triangle, so it's a bit difficult to trade over here. The price is squeezing tighter and tighter, so there's not much room to trade. No doubt there's a buy opportunity here, but the room is quite tight, quite small to trade this. Most likely next week, right, I would preferably wait for it to break through 0.583 for a to execute a buy trade. Okay, rather than buying here, I want it to break through this triangle first. Okay, break through this triangle, then only possible I want to buy this. So let me take out the direction, the tag over here, pound USD. Yes, the tag is correct. Okay, so this one possible I want to wait for it to break through, then only I will trade it. Wait for a breakout. Okay, so USD Swiss franc. Yeah, still slightly bullish on this. Okay, we got a tail bar over here. We got a bullish candle over here. Then follow up by a tail bar, a slightly bearish tail bar. So this one we are still slightly bullish on this, but we are not sure we're going to trade this. Well, this is just too sideways. Okay, just too sideways. So I'm not keen to trade this. Okay, so take out this one. I'm not keen to trade this. Even though it's slightly bullish, I'm not keen to trade this. USDcad. Look at the weekly. Almost those against USD, most of them make a pin bar, right? So so most against USD made a pin bar in the weekly. So possibly we are bullish on this one also. Okay, we are bullish on this. So as I said, opportunity to buy 1.26413, a rebound at this area. Opportunity to buy. The next opportunity to buy is the break above 1.27706, another rebound over here, another opportunity to buy for USD CAD. Okay, so we don't have a very good buy signal over here, but USD seems to be getting stronger. Okay, so we wait for any weakness, any rejection, opportunity to buy, or a breakthrough opportunity to buy. AUD USD, we get the direction right? You see, this one we said that this pin bar opportunity to sell. Okay, if we did open the sell trade, but likely we got stopped out because sometimes market, as I said, just want to take you out first before it goes to the proper direction. Okay, because this pin bar is quite small, right? So it's not very easy to trade when a small pin bar, right? It's not that easy to trade. So the price came back, it touched the stop a lot of people out before it goes down. So we got the direction right, but only the execution. Some of you, if you put a lot of very big stop loss, then you might not get a stop out. But if you put a very tight stop loss, you might get stop out. Okay, so this one, we get still the direction. Our analysis is still correct, but only, okay, the market come to stop us out before it continue to go down. Okay, so this one really looks like a bearish. Okay, bearish trend. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is neutral. Okay, I don't see any direction at the weekly. We got a bearish bar here, then we got a bullish tail bar. We got bearish candle here, then also a bearish tail bar. So this is slightly bearish. What can I say? Slightly bearish, but not very bearish. Slightly bearish. Okay, so we are still looking to sell this. So any opportunity, the price come back, retest. Okay, retest this area, 0.71346. Possible to sell again, or the price comes back to 0.71786. Opportunity to sell again. Okay, so looking to sell this. NZD USD also we got direction right. Now we got a bearish engulfing. Okay, so this one possible there is a trade. Okay, there is a possible trade for this bearish engulfing candle. So there is a possible sell opportunity towards this area, 0.65279. Okay, so there is a possible trade over here, sell trade. Okay, towards the target, 0.65279. Maybe a bit higher here. Okay, so there's a potential trade over here, New Zealand dollar USD. This one you have to wait for pullback. Okay, wait for pullback before you pull the trigger. So this one maybe you put it here. Okay, 0.71346, 0.70917 for sell opportunity here. Okay, so New Zealand dollar, yeah, okay, bearish engulfing. Okay, so you can take a sell trade on this price action bearish engulfing candle. So let's look at Euro AUD. Euro extremely strong. The price broke out. So let's look at the weekly first. Okay, bullish. The weekly is bullish. Okay, so this one, any pullback. Okay, any pullback, we look for buy opportunity. Okay, any pullback, we look for buy opportunity towards the support 1.59384 or 1.58778. Or possible, okay, the price might continue to go up. Any pullback towards 1.61548, a rebound will be an opportunity to buy. Euro CAD similar. Okay, any pullback will be opportunity to buy. Okay, pullback towards 1.4438328, opportunity to buy, or pullback towards 1.45685, opportunity to buy. Euro Swiss franc, very bullish. Okay, so we wait for a pullback. Okay, look for a pullback. Possible towards this area, 1 point. Okay, weekly direction is up. Okay, wait for a pullback towards 1.05185 for buy opportunity. Euro JPY, okay, Euro JPY also quite bullish. Okay, so look for a pullback towards 131,642. Look for a buy opportunity, or a pullback towards 130,439 for buy opportunity. Euro pound. Euro is quite strong, much more stronger than pound, so it's moving up. So wait for any pullback towards this area, 0.84290, a rebound, wait for a buy opportunity. Pound JPY, pound is slightly stronger. But JPY is just inside this sideways price action, so I'm not very keen to trade this. Pound Swiss franc. There's a we had so many pin bar over here, right? But this trade didn't work out. Okay, this trade didn't work out. Let me see the weekly. Weekly is slightly bullish. Okay, weekly is slightly turned bullish. Okay, so another retest at 1.24653 opportunity to buy. Okay, if it goes through, then we will change our buyers to sell. USD JPY, look at the weekly. Looks quite even, quite neutral, this one. Okay, we put it neutral. We don't have a very strong direction. Both currencies is weak, but we do have a bearish engulfing candle over here. We do have a bearish engulfing, so there is a possible sell trade over here. Okay, towards 80.538. Look at usdcad. Weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly looks bullish to me, a little bullish to me. So this one we have to change our strategy to buy. Weekly we won't change our strategy to buy, but weekly is still bullish, so we have to take note. Okay, so this one, right, there is a possible pin bar sell opportunity but then it got another pin bar, bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar, bullish pin bar. Looks like this one don't. Okay, close the trade first. This is very confusing. You can say this is very confusing. We got a bearish signal, we got bullish signal. Okay, so this is most probably we're going to work out. It's going to become sideways for a while. So this one I'm not keen to trade this. I don't see any direction. AUD and NZD, look at the weekly. Okay, weekly we got a pin bar here, counter trend pin bar. Okay, so we look for a drop. Okay, we look for a drop first before we buy. Okay, so we got counter trend pin bar, so weekly bias is negative, is bearish. Okay, so this one wait for a drop, wait for a pullback towards this area, 1.06522 or 1.06068, rebound for buy opportunity. Okay, look for gold. Gold, as I said, I'm not keen. Okay, gold is just chaotic. So can't see a very good direction. We got a pin bar, but the price never moves. So as long as inside this area, I'm not interested. Okay, look at SPI 200, US 200. So also no direction. Okay, we got a inside bar. So there's no clear direction on this SPI. Okay, so we do have a lot of pin bar over here. So for SPI, look at that. Okay, so there is a possible sell trade over here. Okay, a possible sell trade over here. If you took the sell trade over here, okay, the price might have stopped out. So if the price goes through, right, this area, goes to this pin bar, okay, this tail bar, possible there is a sell trade over here, possible sell trade, but this is just two very the index, right, it's a bit chaotic to trade, okay, a bit chaotic to trade. Okay, so this one, okay, so there is a possible sell trade over here. Okay, it's a possible sell trade. I'm not very keen to trade the index now. Okay, the DAX. Okay, the DAX is at here support 1.50085. Okay, so DAX look like it want to break down. After it break down this one, then we want to start to short. Okay, we want to start to sell this. Look at the weekly first. Yeah, weekly is bearish. Okay, let's look at the weekly for SPI. This is inside bar, neutral. Okay, so this is bearish. Okay, so let's wait for a break below this support area. Let's wait for a break below this support area before we start to short. Okay, we start to sell this. Start to sell this. NZD, Nasdaq. Nasdaq, we got a short-term bullish momentum here, but now it's been pushed down. After being pushed down, we got a lot of pin bar over here, counter trend pin bar. Now the trend is downtrend, right? So this one, I don't see any trade yet. So what I want to do is I want to wait for a push towards 1.4863 for sell opportunity, or push higher to 15262 or 15863 for a rejection for sell opportunity. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we already hit the target, okay, on this trade, on this pin bar trade. So now the price is coming back down. So what do we want to trade here? This one is still a bit bullish. Okay, the Dow Jones is still a bit bullish. Therefore, possible we still want to look for buy opportunity here. Okay, at 1.34991. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. Okay, weekly is not very strong. Okay, the direction aren't very strong. We got a bullish pin bar, we got bearish pin bar over here. So these are neutral. It's quite neutral. Okay, neutral for the weekly. So this one possible. There is a possible if we got a strong signal to buy here, possible there is a buy opportunity here. You might want to take the pin bar given the price break through the pin bar, but if you take at the pin bar, the resistance is very near, so we are not very keen to take this because resistance very near. Possible I want to wait for the price to come even lower. Okay, a bit lower, so we got a better risk and reward, or risk to reward ratio. S&P price is coming back down. Let's look at the weekly. Okay, weekly, wow, look at that. The index are just a bit chaotic. A big tail at the bottom, big tail at the top. Okay, so there is no bias momentum, no bias over here. So look for a bearish price action for sell opportunity possible around here, 0.4551 or even slightly higher, 4625. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is our analysis for our weekly analysis for next week of trading. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, support the channel. See you again on Monday. Stay safe from coronavirus. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.